How to send PDF file in Facebook Messenger. So the first thing you have to do, whether you are on iPhone or Android, is to open your Files application and search for your PDF file that you want to send. After that, tap and hold on the file until there is an option like this, and tap on Share. From here, you want to find Messenger application and tap on it. Then, you choose the contact you want to share with. And tap on Send. And you can come back to your Messenger application. And there you go. The file already sent. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.